We've all been there. Unexpected expenses, mounting debt, that sinking feeling when you open your bank statement. But what if there was a life raft? A financial tool to help you stay afloat and even reach calmer waters? That's where Rocket Loans, a product offered by Rocket Money, comes in. But before we dive into the specifics of how it works, let's talk about personal loans in general. Imagine this: you need a chunk of money for a specific purpose, maybe a car repair or a home improvement project. You could tap into savings, but what if that's not an option? That's where personal loans step in. They're like lifelines thrown by lenders, offering a set amount of cash you pay back with interest over a predetermined period. Now, Rocket Money itself isn't a bank handing out loans. It's a financial platform with a bunch of cool features, and Rocket Loans is one of them. It essentially connects you with Rocket Loans, a separate arm that facilitates the personal loan process. So, how does a Rocket Loan work? Buckle up, because here's a breakdown. Step 1. Check your eligibility, the pre-qualification dip. This is where you test the waters. Rocket Money offers a pre-qualification option. The beauty? It doesn't involve a hard credit check that could ding your score. You provide some basic info like income and desired loan amount, and Rocket Money gives you a preliminary idea of rates and terms you might qualify for. Step 2. Diving in, the formal application. If the pre-qualification looks promising, you can take the plunge with a formal application. This involves submitting more detailed information, and yes, this time a hard credit check is part of the process. Step 3. Approval time. Hold your breath, but hopefully not for too long. Rocket Money assesses your application, considering your creditworthiness, income, and overall financial health. If all goes well, you get the green light and loan approval. Step 4. Loan arrival. Your financial life raft arrives. Once approved, the loan amount gets deposited into your bank account, usually within a business day. Now you have the cash for that car repair or dream kitchen remodel. Step 5. Repayment. Climbing out of the debt sea. Here's where responsibility comes in. You'll have fixed monthly payments to make sure you repay the loan with interest over the agreed-upon term. Rocket Money provides clear tools to track your loan and manage your payments. But wait, there's more. Rocket Money offers more than just loans. While Rocket Loans is a powerful tool, Rocket Money itself boasts a treasure trove of features designed to improve your overall financial well-being. Here are a few. Bill management. Tired of juggling multiple bills? Rocket Money tracks your bills, helps set up autopay, and even negotiates lower rates with providers, saving you time and money. Spending insights. Where does your hard-earned cash disappear every month? Rocket Money categorizes your spending, giving you a clear picture of where your money flows. Budgeting tools. Need help creating a budget and sticking to it? Rocket Money helps you set realistic goals and track your progress. Credit score monitoring. Keeping an eye on your credit score is crucial. Rocket Money provides free credit score monitoring, so you can identify any issues and take corrective action. The takeaway: Rocket Money, your all-in-one financial toolkit. Rocket Money offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage your finances. From budgeting and bill management to credit score monitoring and, of course, personal loans through Rocket Loans, it empowers you to take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.